Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two AI coding environments, which is Replit and DataButton. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Replit, Replit is a strong option if you want a flexible coding environment with full control. It supports many languages, real-time collaboration, and instant deployment, which make it great for education, prototyping, and developers who like building from scratch. The downside is that it can feel limited for non-coders, and managing larger projects may run into performance or scalability issues. DataButton, on the other hand, is built for fast app creation with minimal coding by using AI to generate both front-end and back-end. It makes building dashboard tools or data app much more easier for non-technical users. However, this comes with a cost of flexibility. You may constrain to its workflow, and advanced optimization isn't as smooth as Replit. So if you want to handle no coding freedom, choose Replit, or if you want speed and simplicity, DataButton is better choice. And that's it.